serious. Like Charlie, don't cast Jesus, you know. Big cat prowling where the lights glow hot. Everyone's watching but they don't get caught. Paws on the floor, slick moves they bring. Tail in the air, yeah, the cat's a king. Whiskers twitch and the rhythm takes charge. Leaping through the crowd like feline and large. Claws don't scratch but they know their beat. Velvet paws grooving smooth on the street. Shake that tail, big Nash, go boom. Cats in the club make the whole place zoom. Left, right, drop it down real low. Furry little freaks putting on a show. Lights flash wild and the bassline thunders. Cats on the floor make the crowd all wonder where they learn moves from the jungle vines. Tigers in disguise strutting sharp as knives.
AI free unlimited music. Hi guys, welcome back to the Boss Life channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create AI free unlimited music. Yes, and videos like this you can create cats dancing, rats dancing, and the good thing about it, it's free. So we are going to go through steps. So guys, for the first step, with the help of ChatGPT, we are going to create our song. So you're going to go to the Google browser and you are going to ask ChatGPT to create for you a song of cats or rats dancing, okay? Because that is what we are trying to create. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to create for. Alright, so guys, we are going to go with this. It says create a 30-second fun song of cats dancing with Big Natch. So this is what you're going to ask ChatGPT to create for us, and you are going to go ahead and click on that. So ChatGPT is already doing its job, as you can see. Check that tail, Big Natch, go boom, whatever. So guys, for the second step, what you're going to do is to head over to leonaldo.com, Leonaldo AI, and this is a free unlimited AI generator. It's going to generate whatever image that you want. To do is to create an account if you don't have one, but I already do, and you also get free credit to generate your pictures or your images. What you're going to do is to head over here, image creation, and paste your prompt here. All right, what we're going to do is to head back to ChatGPT and paste our link. As you can see, we are going to copy this and paste it over to Leonaldo for it to create a clear picture of what we need. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and paste that over there and then click generate. This takes about 5 to 10 seconds. If the images are not good, you guys, you can always create another image. So these are the cards that have been generated for us. Like I said, I want a card that is dancing, and I'm going to go with this one. So copy it and then download it. And also this card over here, it is going to help me. So copy it and then save it. Number 3 is head over to your Google browser and type in Haulio AI. So for Haulio AI is going to help you create your image into a video. So you're going to tap on that and it will take you directly to their website, and this is completely free, as you can see. And what you're going to do is to click on the plus sign, and we are going to use images. Okay, we are going to upload videos, and also for this time around we are going to use S2V. So click on that and go ahead and paste your photo or your picture. So this is the card that I've putting, and the image is downloading. Add a character of what I want the card to do. That is taking me back to ChatGPT to copy the prompt. Back ChatGPT and paste this and copy this and paste just like that, and then click create. So the image is being created. You can always delete this as you are creating another image. So I'm going to go with this card over here. It's quite funny, and I'll also add a character of what I really want this card to do. We are waiting for the images to turn into videos. As you can see, this is almost getting finished. Guys, now I want to show you what they have created for us. And yeah, this is the video, and I think it's pretty much good. So we are going to now create the song. So guys, for unlimited songs, you are going to go to your Google browser again, and you are going to type in Suno. AI. So this is a music creator. It creates free unlimited musics, as you can see. Okay, yes, it's called suno.com, suno.ai, whatever. So you're going to click on that and it will take you directly to its website. As you can see, create free AI music. Yeah, it will generate any kind of music that you want. So you're going to paste your prompt here and yeah, it will create music for you. Let's head over to ChatGPT, and once you come here to ChatGPT, you are going to make sure that you copy all the song over here, copy the song and head over to suno.com, suno AI, and here we are going to paste the song. Okay, and after pasting the song, we are going to click create music. Alright guys, so this is what Suno AI has created for us, and we are now going to go ahead and listen to the song. So there is high quality version and there is also high quality version too. So let's play the song first.
Big cat's prowling where the lights glow hot. Everyone's watching but they don't get caught. Paws on the floor, slick moves they bring. Tail in the air, yeah, the cat's our king. Whiskers twitch and the rhythm takes charge. Leaping through the crowd like feeling at large. Claws don't scratch but they know their beat. Velvet paws grooving smooth on the street. Shake that tail, big nyash go boom. Cats in the club make the whole place zoom.
Let's play number 2, version 1.
Where the lights glow hot. Everyone's watching but they don't get caught. Paws on the floor sit.
Alright guys, so those are the songs Suno AI has created for us. Now we are going to go ahead and put everything together, all the videos together, and put the song as well. So these are the results, you guys. You can create a music video from scratch with free AI.
Big cats prowling where the lights glow hot. Everyone's watching but they don't get caught. Paws on the floor, slick moves they bring. Tail in the air, yeah, the cat's our king. Whiskers twitch and the rhythm takes charge. Leaping through the crowd like feeling at large. Claws don't scratch but they know their beat. Velvet paws grooving smooth on the street. Shake that tail, big nyash go boom. Cats in the club make the whole place zoom. Left, right, drop it down real low. Furry little freaks putting on a show.